Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So let's start. If you're not able to see your liked video playlist on YouTube, first of all, you have to enter the app, click on the library button that is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and check if the liked video playlist is shown. If not, here's what you can do. First, go to the general settings of your mobile phone. Then click on the YouTube app and verify that all permissions are enabled. If any permission is disabled, click on it to grant permission. If this doesn't work, there is another way to solve this problem. We need to access the App Store on your mobile phone. Search for the YouTube application and check that there are no pending updates to download. If there is any update to install, do it. Sometimes apps start failing because of this, and with just one click, the issue is solved. Keep in mind that YouTube only allows up to 5,000 videos on your liked playlist. So it won't show everything you have ever liked. That's all. Now you're ready to use it again. I hope this tutorial video helped you to solve this issue. See you next time.